So today's video is going to be pretty simple. We're going to make a traditional Lebanese breakfast called Lebneh and tomatoes with olive oil and salt. And of course, next to it, I always have some kalamata olives because it makes the flavors go with, they go together very well. So here we are, the tomato, the Lebneh. You can buy your own personal preference. I picked up this one directly from Ralph's. Salt here, very nice. And of course, some really nice extra virgin olive oil and some olives. Chop up your tomato, put it in, mix it up with some of the kefir. Again, this is a Lebneh. It's considered to be a cheese. Sprinkle some of your salt. Use your best olive oil. Extra virgin will always be the best. Of course, have a nice little plate of olives, but let's plate this a little bit better. And look at that beautiful plating, of course, served with some nice pita bread wedges. Everything is going to look perfectly fine. It's going to taste amazing. And again, salt to your liking. Now you can serve it this way or you can mix it up all the way. This definitely looks very nice. And then when you're done, bon appetit. It's fresh. The best way to describe it, the crunch from the tomato, the freshness of the Lebneh. The Lebneh, again, kind of has a taste like sour cream if you've never had Lebneh, but it's a little bit different. It's Lebanese breakfast cheese, I guess, if you want to call it. It comes from yogurt, tastes great, and the olives are just going to make it so much better. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is called Lebneh وبندوره وزيت. It's in Arabic, so it's essentially Lebneh, tomato, and olive oil with, of course, a side of olives. This is TK. I'll see you in the next one.